Hi, welcome back. Hello, folks, students, and professionals. CVI, Customer Vendor Integration, link tables for customer and vendor with BP. Generally, what happens, as I explained you, BP is one of the top number range holding below roles. It may be customer role or else vendor role, or else it can be like your credit management roles, employee role, or else it can be customer care executive, insurance agent, whatever the roles you would like to define, you can able to define it. And order processor, you can able to define the roles. Those roles will be you know actually controlled by the technical functionality called customer vendor integration. Let's try to understand this. So what are all the tables behind in it? CVI cust CT link. Okay, CVI cust link and assignment between customer and business partner. This is the connection, relationship, and activity partner for customer. There is something called activity partner. Let's try to check this table, second table and fourth table we are going to check now. Okay, all these are the link tables. Why it is so important for your custom logics to build based for your reports or else any function modules. Okay, uh, so to take a help for any function modules. Okay, so let's try to understand this. First of all, let's go to SE16N. Okay, so let me relog in again. So let's try to open one BP. This is very important, my dear colleagues and friends. So if you look at here, so let's try to observe this customer. Okay, so this customer, this is BP. Actually, basically, this is the BP. For this BP, for example, if I go for uh, any customer role or vendor role. Okay, so let's go to the sales and distribution. Okay, so here you can able to find the partner functions. Basically, suppose if I give the sales area, okay, you can able to get this. Okay, you can able to see this. Basically, this is the partner. So based on, if you query a table by BP, okay, what you will get it, and what is that those how you can able to find the customer or vendor. Let me explain you. Let's go to the SC16N. Okay, so basically what I said, so the table is, if you look at here, CVI underscore cust underscore link. Okay, so let's try to put it here. Okay, so first you go to BUT 000. Okay, if you give your business partner here, okay, you can able to query with the different things based on grouping and all those things I have explained already based on partner type also. If you come here, okay, let me try to help you out. There is something called BU business partner GUID. Okay, if you copy this, so here CVA underscore cust means in this place you will get vendor. Okay, with practice you can remember all these tables. How you have K and VB, K and A1, K and B1, like that only you can able to remember all these tables. Suppose if you give BUID here, okay, you can able to get the customer. So this is the customer, right? So let's go BP. I will show you one more time. Okay, either way you can able to query it. Okay, so let me share the screen for this. If you look at this, so you can able to query any customer for that matters. Okay, let's try to view the, so if you give this, this is the customer. You can able to see this BP and customer. See, you got a doubt why we require tables, because to build a custom logic, for example, you cannot give each and every single BP. You go and check here, right? Field. So if it is a table level, if you know the link this table, for example, BP and customer related something, his delivery date or something like that, customer related, like what is the stock he received the particular month or else quarter, if you'd like to calculate it. Okay, so how many orders he got rejected, like that, so many requirements will be there. Depends on the manufacturing, retail, or any industry for that matters. Okay, so this is very important, I'm telling you, because one of my uh, fellow YouTube friend told that. Okay, so this is, one second, let me copy here, Control A, and if you come here, so suppose this is vendor. Okay, suppose vendor, if you copy this one, okay, same ID, you will get the supplier number. You can able to see this. This is your supplier, right? Okay, so either you pick this GUID, pass into the BP. Okay, if you have the customer list, so you can able to get it. For example, okay, so how it works, let me show you. Okay, let's go here. Okay, KNBB. Suppose if you KNBB, for example, if I put the DRAM, okay, so this is my sales organization, so that I can get the list of all customers which is got created. Let's copy this. Okay, so yeah, I would like to query the BP against the customer actually. So such a case, what happens if you go to CVI customer link table? Okay, so if you pass all your customers here, okay, for example, you passed all your customers here, so you can get all business partner GUIDs. Okay, so if you go back BUT 000, okay, so like control F GUID. Okay, so you pass the BP GUID here. Okay, so that you can able to get all business partners. You can able to see someone is belongs to 213141 like that. See, suppose if you have 10,000 customers, okay, take the 10,000 customers and get the GUIDs. If you pass, if you get like you can able to get all business partner against that. Why you require this? Why you require this? Basically, like in real time we work based on all table level, like to build the logics actually. So it's the same thing applicable for your vendor also. Okay, you can go to the vendor table and you can pull the vendors, and at the same time you can able to uh, uh, so for example, BP against customers and vendors or any other roles also you can able to get it. The only key is like to link the GUID. So I think you understood by this time how it works. So if you'd like to see the supplier also here, so because people generally don't believe, that's why I'm just showing here. So for example, if you take this vendor, okay, so vendor general data only you can able to get it, or else purchasing data also you can able to get it. This is the supplier, we got it right. So this is how it works actually. Basically, what is the advantage? As I explained you, to build your custom logics 100%, it is mandatorily required. Okay, what else we can able to discuss? So like you try to explore. If you have a doubts on these tables, you can ask me, and you try to create it. It is very very important, I'm telling you, my friends. So if you don't create it, you will not learn anything. Okay, so if you look at this, I'm currently holding 7,000 plus students, and this is the BP course. Here is the place. I'm just trying to add this video also. So if somewhere any place audio is missing, please comment, so that I can able to redo it. So it is unfortunate. Last video was got muted. If you look at this, this is my course as per HANA sales. It's everything for you. Coming 10 years. Currently, it is holding 181 lectures, and it is going to be like another 250 to 300 lectures all put together, all tips together. I'm going to make in future. So please subscribe this, and if you'd like to learn condition contract management, okay, here goes the scenarios. Okay, don't miss. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best and have a great day. Okay.